So I checked out Luxazora in 26, and honestly, this one is a bit controversial. At first glance, the website looks like a typical online store selling trending fashion and lifestyle products. The prices seem attractive, and the product images look clean and professional. But the real story shows up when you look at customer feedback. Across multiple review platforms, the ratings are quite low, sitting around the 2 to 3 out of 5 range. And most of the complaints are pretty consistent. Delayed deliveries, items not matching the pictures, and in some cases, customers reporting unexpected or unauthorized charges on their cards. There are a few positive reviews here and there mentioning that products did arrive and were decent for the price, but they are clearly in the minority. So here's the honest verdict. Luxazora is risky. If everything goes right, you might get a cheap product that matches expectations. But if something goes wrong, refunds and support don't seem reliable based on user reports. Personally, I wouldn't recommend using it for anything important or high-value purchases. Final score, 4 out of 10. Proceed with caution.